Ah, peace and quiet. Huh? What's that sound?
Run! Run! Rogue 101! Babies! Fresh from the forest!
Here we go again. All right, come in, Shasha.
Oh, that's too bad! We'll do something fun!
Easy, Shasha. You'll knock me over one day.
I have the best idea, Bear! Let's go on an adventure! It will be so much fun, I promise!
An adventure? This sounds like trouble.
Hi friends, how do you like the video? Would you believe if I tell you that I have created this animation cartoon with only one single prompt? I have not gone through those time-taking, lengthy process of video creation we usually go through. Script writing, then writing prompts for the image generation on after the other. Struggling with free credits, logging in with multiple accounts, use multiple AI tools, generating a couple of image to videos from this tool and a couple of from the other. I know how painful it is, especially for those new content creators who are still struggling to earn their place on YouTube and can't afford to spend any money for paid tools. So my today's video is going to solve all your problems. Today, I'm going to introduce to you to a new AI tool that will blow your mind. This tool is so amazing, guys, that many of paid tool also cannot get to its level of quality video it produces. Before unveiling the tool, I will also show you how you can write a script, make a cartoon movie or realistic video, writing prompts for generation, give a consistent look to all characters, everything you need in a video with only one single and simple prompt. Excited, Han? So without any further delay, let's get started with the video. I have seen people on YouTube giving lengthy and complicated prompts in the name of a single prompt. Here I have written a simple and easy prompt divided into 6 to 7 steps, which will be easy for you to understand and even edit wherever needed. With this single prompt, you can generate script, create characters description for consistent look, make scenes for your video, and also generate professional style prompts all at once. Prompt 1, story generation / scene, creation / character description / prompt generation for video. Behave like a script writer, movie director, and editor. Pre-imagine the whole scenario and help me create a perfect cartoon movie. Follow the below given steps and work. 1. Create an episode of Masha and the Bear cartoon style story. 2. Divide the story in 10 to 15 scenes. 3. Describe each character's appearance and nature in short, separately. 4. Give prompt for each scene for AI video generation. Here's the formula for generating main visual subject, scene, dark space, motion. 5. Include each character's description in all the prompts wherever their role or name is mentioned in the prompt, so that the AI can maintain the consistency in their looks or appearance. Example, when Masha's name comes, add Masha's whole description after putting a comma after Masha. 6. Generate more than one prompt for each scene to extend the scene. 7. Give short dialogues to characters. I'll post this prompt in the description below the video so you can copy it from there. So let's start. First go to ChatGPT and sign in with your account. Now copy the prompt from Word document and it in here. Now you will see how ChatGPT will follow all the instructions we provided and work on it. It first created the character's description, then it writes the script scene-wise. It generated prompts for every scene. You can see it also included the description of the character in every prompt. Check the prompts. If you want to make any changes, you can ask ChatGPT to do it. And now it's time to reveal our new AI tool. Go to Google search and type Hailuo AI. You will see these two websites. Basically, it is a Chinese website, but they have now started the English one also. We will try both. First, we'll go to this Chinese one. Click here to translate the page. Click here. You will see this simple interface. Now go and copy prompt for our first scene and paste here. You can add 16K ultra high resolution video of and continue with prompt. Click O generate. This will take about 5 minutes, guys, cause this website is getting high traffic these days. As it is completely free and unlimited, you won't mind waiting, I hope. Our first video is ready. See how amazing video it has generated, guys. Now go ahead and generate all the videos by pasting prompts scene-wise. I'm just loving the quality video it's bringing out, guys. So once you are done, go to generate audio of your project. I prefer 11 labs. Select the suitable voice for your character and generate all the dialogues.
Ah, peace and quiet. Huh? What's that sound? 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 Don't worry, Shasha. I'm right here. We'll find our way back. Reassure. Smart little squirrel. Let's go, Shasha.
So once you are done, go to generate audio of your project. I prefer 11 Labs. Select the suitable voice for your character and generate all the dialogues.
Ah, peace and quiet. Huh? What's that sound?
When this part is done, go ahead and edit the video in your favorite editor. I know the creator in you will make the best of these clips you just generated. Feel free to share your work with us when you upload it. Drop your video link in the comment box. So that's it, guys. I hope you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and leave your comments in comments box and let me know how you feel about my work. Feel free to give suggestions if you think I need to improve my work. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.